Hello, welcome to May 2025, my friends, the Cancerians, Leos, and the Virgos. What are the powerful messages from the world of tarot for all of you? Also, considering we have a full moon on the 12th of May, so maybe there could be some message coming from for you from the universe. So, what is that message? Well, let's begin with my friends, the Cancerians. Cancerians, very beautiful energies of loving, of sharing, of caring, of you spreading love and laughter and sunshine with your powerful creativity. So, whatever it is that you are good at, be it singing, be it speaking, be it dancing, you will be spreading a lot of love and sunshine through that. And that is the message for you from the tarot for this month. You are going to be like that special royal queen, spreading your creativity, your radiance, your magnanimity, and trying to make the world a beautiful place to be in. Wow, go ahead. Coming to my friends, the Leos. Leos, what do the cards have to say for you? Well, my friends, you will be basically juggling between two ideas and you will be at loggerheads. So it's going to be a difficult choice for you to make, and the best way to deal with this is to use your head and heart in equal measure. Don't just go by the head, don't just go by the heart, but use them in equal measure as per the message of the tarot. And maybe if you could, make a list of both the things that you are dealing with. Make a list, make points that are come across, because sometimes writing can be very therapeutic and writing can be very revealing, because when you're writing points about both of the situations, you will be able to find a solution, or you will be able to find a way out for yourself through that. So do consider writing out points for both of the situations so that you don't get further messed up in this conflict of juggling two different things, two different ideas, and in that you probably lose out on fantastic opportunities. So do think about that and take care of yourself. Coming to my friends, Virgos, wow, the message for you is to keep your eyes, to keep your ears open. There is a secret that is going to be revealed, a secret information that is coming your way, which is going to change, change your life completely. It's going to be like a 360-degree change, complete. You will realize that whatever you had been believing in, whatever you had thought was yours, whomsoever you thought was yours, was not actually yours. And whatever thing, if you're thinking that was yours, is not yours. So there is some secret, some powerful message, some powerful revelation coming your way, which could also, take you by surprise, maybe also make you feel very, very, to say sad or depressed is a very small word, because you will actually feel in pain, deep agony you will feel. So, but you need to keep your eyes and ears open, because this revelation will decide the future course of action for you, how you need to lead your life henceforth. So do keep that in mind and do be very careful. Keep your eyes and ears open. It's not going to come to you direct. You will have to put the pieces together. Just remember that. So I am just saying good wishes to all of you, my friends, the Cancerians, the Leos, and the Virgos. Take good care of yourselves. Be blessed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Alka Home of Tarot and Education, and do share the video with your friends. Take care of yourself once again. Stay strong.